Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's been long time I did not post anything on YouTube. So I decided to post about the hydrofacial treatment. So I was looking for a hydrofacial treatment from long time, which is budget friendly. So I came across a salon called Spunky Caesar, which is in Kamanhalli. So I'm gonna take hydrofacial treatment there and tell you the honest review. So keep watching my video and subscribe my channel. So I arrived at Spunky Caesar Unisex Salon, which is in Kamanhalli, and this is not a very big salon. It's a small salon which have very good services at affordable rates. So I came for the hydrofacial treatment, and you can see the device of hydrofacial, and this device has so many features, including scrubbing, ultrasound, RF, and LED light. So you can use so many features from this device. So the device has a very professional device, and the device used by the professional out here, and you can enjoy the hydrofacial. It just 2000 you can enjoy the hydrofacial here. So I came for the hydrofacial treatment, and they're using the professional kit for this treatment, as like they are using the kit called AHN plus BHA facial kit, which is of Astraberry professional brand. So they are using this kit for the facial, and they have started the treatment with moisturizer, scrubbing, and this is the ultrasound which they are doing for my face, as you can see. So my face feels very good and very refreshing after taking the treatment. So honestly, this salon is recommendable for the people who are looking for the hydrofacial treatment at affordable rates. So the hydrofacial at the normal skin clinic, it will cost somewhere around 6,000, but here in this salon it cost only 2,000. So you can get the hydrofacial done here, and it minimizes your pores. It gives you the fair skin, and it give you the even out tone. So I honestly love doing hydrofacial, and I enjoy this service, and I recommend to everyone to this salon. They can enjoy the service out here, as you can see how they are doing my facial with the procedure. I often visit this salon because this salon has so much of good services, and they have the services which is running at discount, and you can enjoy the services at affordable rates. So at last they have put LED on my skin, LED lights on my skin, so that it will give you the glow you want. And so I honestly love this salon, and this is highly recommendable. People who wanted to use any kind of services, any kind of facial services or any kind of services, this is highly recommended.